Hello everyone, and welcome to Dictation for English Beginners. Today, we're going to do a fun and simple dictation practice to help improve your English listening skills. I'll say each sentence twice. Please write your answers on a piece of paper or in your notebook. At the end, I'll show you the correct answers for you to check. Now, let's get started. 1. The cat is small. The cat is small. 2. I like sunny days. I like sunny days. 3. She sings very well. She sings very well. 4. We love to read. We love to read. 5. They eat lunch together. They eat lunch together. 6. My dog loves to play. My dog loves to play. 7. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. 8. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. 9. We are baking cookies. We are baking cookies. 10. She has a red car. She has a red car. 11. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. 12. I enjoy my coffee. I enjoy my coffee. 13. They swim in the pool. They swim in the pool. 14. We walk to school. We walk to school. 15. She buys fresh flowers. She buys fresh flowers. Great job, everyone. Now, let's check your answers. How did you do? Please let me know in the comments section how many you got correct. And if you made any mistakes, don't worry. Don't give up on yourself and keep practicing until you make it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more English learning videos. See you next time, and happy studying.